morning.
Yes, thank you for coming today.
Thank you for inviting me.
Yes, so could you introduce yourself?
Sure. My name is Ika Purewardhani, and I have strong interest in this major and also, especially in the role of a personal secretary. And during my studies, I developed skills in communication, time management, and document handling. I am detail-oriented, organized, and able to work both in team or individual.
Alright, so what do you understand about the role of a personal secretary?
Actually, as a personal secretary, I understand that the role is to support the manager or the executive in daily tasks, but this includes managing schedules, organizing meetings, handling emails, and also calls, preparing documents, and making sure all the administrative tasks run smoothly. And as a personal secretary, also needs to maintain confidently and have good communication skills.
Sure, okay. So, where are you interested in this position?
I have interest in this position because it matches my skills, and also I enjoy organizing tasks and then managing schedules and helping other works more efficiently. And I also want to develop my professional skills in administration and communication.
Alright, so what skill do you have that make you suitable for this job?
Okay. Actually, I have a good communication skills and organizational skills. I can manage time well, handle multiple tasks, and work under pressure. I'm also familiar with the Microsoft Office, and I am responsible, detail-oriented, and always try to complete my work efficiently.
Alright, I'm curious about how do you manage your time when you have many tasks?
Okay. Actually, I usually make a to-do list and set priorities based on urgency and importance. But I also focus to the most important task first, and then make sure everything is complete on time.
Okay, and how do you handle confidential information?
I understand that confidentiality is very important. I always keep the sensitive information private and only share with the right people, the authorized people, and I also make sure the documents are handled carefully and securely.
Alright, so what will you do if your manager has overlapping schedules?
Okay, I will review the schedule and identify which task is more important or urgent, and then I will confirm with the manager and reschedule if needed. But I will also inform all related parties clearly and professionally.
Okay, so I want to ask you about, can you work under pressure?
Yes, actually I can. I will try to stay calm and focused, and I manage my time well and make sure the work is still accurate even in the urgent situation.
Do you have any question for us?
Yes, actually I have. I would like to know more about this, the team usually communicates and works together. How the team communicates.
Okay, how the team communicate. So we usually communicate through email and messaging platforms we also have our regular meetings, and teamwork is important for us. And so we expect good communication and cooperation.
Okay, but I would also like to ask about, the expectation for the job and actually what the responsibility is.
Responsibility, sure. So, your main responsibilities will include managing schedule, as I said before, arranging meetings, and handling emails and calls, of course, preparing documents, and reminding the manager about important tasks and deadlines. And you will also help ensure that everything is well organized.
Okay, I see. Thank you for the explanation. But actually, I have one more question, and I would also like to ask about the salary and benefits for this position.
So for this position, the salary is around 4 million until 5 million a month, and with Communication Institute of the Arts, Yogyakarta, with a Bachelor of Arts in Visual Communication Design. And I have a strong interest in digital campaigns and building brand identity. And currently, I work as a creative branding and social media strategist at Westcat. And I'm organized, creative, and experienced in managing social media crowds.
Okay. So actually, what do you understand about the role of creative branding and social media strategies?
In this role, I understand that I need to lead visual storytelling and digital campaign strategies. Like this include developing brand identity, managing audience engagement, and building partnership with communities. And it is also about creating themes for cultural and culinary experience to attract followers.
Okay. I'm curious. Why are you interested in this position or for this job?
Why I'm interested for this position? So I'm interested in this position because it matches my skill in branding and visual identity, and I am passionate about storytelling and tourism branding, and I enjoy creating content that connect with people and helps a brand crowd.
Okay. Well, actually, what skills do you have that connected or related for this position?
Okay, so my skill is I have skills in social media strategy like content planning and copywriting, and I'm also certified in digital marketing fundamental and content strategy for branding, and I can handle basic graphic design using Canva or Spain, and I have good negotiation skill for building partnership.
Okay, so what did you do or how do you manage your time when you have a lot of tasks?
When I have a lot of tasks, basically I can set the priority based on the project deadlines. Like for example, when I was the creative director for Chilipop Festival, I had to manage the design team and social media materials and merchandise at the same time. And I focus on the most important tasks first to ensure the brand identity is consistent.
I see, but how do you handle building partnerships?
Building partnership. I use my communication and negotiation skills to reach out to cultural communities, and lifestyle brands, and I make sure that our collaboration matches the brand's theme and creates a good experience of our audience.
Then, what will you do if the campaign gives a new direction?
I will review the campaign themes and curate new ideas. I use my creative direction and audience engagement skills to see what people like. Then I develop a new visual identity or strategy to make the campaign better.
So can you work under pressure?
Yes, I can. I experienced as a creative director for a major festival taught me how to handle rough project with my responsibilities, and I stay calm and cooperate with marketing and production teams to finish the work on time.
So you have a question for us?
Yes, thank you. I would like to know more about the daily responsibilities and the creative goals for this position.
Sure. Actually, for this job, your main task will be leading visual storytelling and then managing digital campaign and building partnership to grow our brands. The engagement.
Oh, thank you for the information. And I also want to know how to creative team usually works together on the project.
Actually, we work closely through regular meetings and we communicate through digital tools and we value collaboration and new ideas.
Oh, I see. Thank you, Ms. Vito, for your explanation.